Hi guys, today we're going to play Laceys Wardrobe. So I heard some things about this game and wanted to try. Pause to read. Let's start. I know him slaying. What the frickle frack was that? Did I call someone?
Lacey.
SDFU, crusty, musty, rusty, dusty, nasty, SUPP.
You see my stacks, Lacey? I can wait to meet up, Lacey. I want to.
Should I be scared?
Have a good time tonight with you, Lacey. Tonight. Bye-bye.
OSHIT. What are you doing outside my window? I think I should be scared. I want to help you, Lacey. So, what theme? Oh fuck, him gonna die. Nor help me. Wait, I got a gift. What in the bloody hell is that? Ooh, stop calling me.
Lacey, I'm here.
Fuck
here.
you.
Get my gift, Lacey. Did you like it?
I hate IT.
I'm here. Open the door, my darling.
No, you
Open
ain't.
the door. Open the door!
I'll just put on something random. Now I will hide from that crusty, dusty, musty, nasty, rusty rat. I am sorry, girl. I don't want to, Lacey. ERM. Oh my god, you're uglier than I thought. Fuck ubu ubu. ERM Sururu. Okay, I am back.
I looked up what to do on AV.
I mean, I figured what I didn't cheat. Okay, this time we're gonna hide. I don't want your fucking present. I will not falter or whatever the fuck you say. I don't want to hear your crusty, musty, dusty, nasty, rusty voice.
Lacey, I'm here.
Shut you,
I'm here.
pee-pee.
Can you get my gift, Lacey?
Now I have air
Did you like
cancer.
it? I'm here. Open the door, my darling.
Yeah, let's get this over with already.
Open the door!
Speed are you? Let's go girly or not gonna die. Bitch, what, I did nothing wrong. BTCH. Oh wait, I did IT. Fuck off. ERM. I can't click on anything, Sue.